genre, it's basically because I've been through a lot of cultures. I have a French background. My parents stay in France, and I've been in South Africa, in English country for quite a while. And you know, from R&B to pop to folk and classic rock and reggae, and I think that gives me my own niche because I've created my own thing now. I always say I want to be there for the whole ceremony. We start in a church and we finish at the reception, and we can work on the playlist with the couple if they want to. So they can give me the songs which is like closer to their heart.
Je crois que finalement, j'ai trouvé mon âme sœur, j'ai trouvé la chair de ma chair.